Guy.
See, people are coming in.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, everyone. While we're waiting for everyone, as everyone's coming in, let's see where everyone is from. Pop in the chat, give us a direction where everyone is from so we can see how far this beautiful community stretches.
Hello.
California, Bahamas.
Hello. Welcome, everybody. Nice to see a bunch of faces over there. New faces, cameras on, guys. On the top right-hand side on the view, you can click it above where it says participants and click on gallery view. Then you can also see everyone else with their cameras. Looking at Patty and Rainier, who's there? Rick, Lauren, David. Nice to see you. Niels. Ranjini, welcome, everybody. Everyone all over the world, France, London, Germany. Where's
Ecuador.
that? Oi, OII from Kai Hassan. Where's that? OII. Serbia. Man, I love it.
While we're busy going through the countries, I think if everybody wants to go and click on gallery view, so you can have a look at everybody on the screen, have a look at all the like-minded people in the same room from all over the world. If you go on the top corner and you go click on the view button, you click on gallery, you'll be able to see everybody. If you can put your cameras on, please do, so we can see all your lovely faces. And right now we have people from all over the world on the Zoom with us. How amazing is that?
Wow, it's so amazing to see how many people we've got here today. And firstly, I just want to say welcome, everyone, and a Merry New Year and a Happy Christmas that we just had, and welcome back to Sniper School, everyone. My name is Jivani, and I'm the MC here at Sniper School. And I just wanted to let you know, if anyone knows the stress and anxiety that you are feeling right now, it's definitely me. I was part of Cohort 2, Cohort 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I've been working with the Sniper team for almost 2 years now. So I've been working closely with Sheldon and the Sniper team. And it's an absolute honor to be here and just see everyone's beautiful faces and the beautiful community that everyone has created. I just want to let you know that this is our welcome event. It's not going to be a formal thing today. We're not going to have too many questions and answers. We're just going to let you know how amazing our Sniper events are going to be. Our next workshop is going to be on Thursday, where Sheldon will be here with all the knowledge that you want. Right now, we're just going to introduce the team and what their stories are and how we got to this point. Firstly, I want to introduce you to our team. We've got OJ Jason, we've got OJ Craig, and we've got Mama Sniper in the house, and they have been with Sheldon since the beginning. So, Danny, do you mind stepping up and just telling everyone a little bit about your story and how this all came to play?
Sure. Do you want to add me to Spotlight? Not too sure.
Yes. Let me just quickly get you there.
Okay. There we go. I'm on. So welcome, everybody. First of all, I just want to say congratulations to absolutely every single one of you for being here today, whether it be your first cohort, your second cohort, your third cohort, fourth, fifth. We have so many people that just join all our cohorts, because as soon as you join the school with us, you are a member for life and you can join all our cohorts thereafter. So congratulations to everybody for being here. And the reason why I say that is because you are here today for yourself, right? For you. Not because you have to be here, not because we've forced you to be here. You have chosen to make a difference in your life, and you have chosen to have a plan B. You have chosen to be with like-minded people, and you have just chosen something different and to learn something different. And obviously, if you're here for more than the first time, you are addicted like all the rest of us are, and you will always come back, and you're part of our community, you're part of our family. So we're not just a Sniper school, we are a community, we are a family, And that is why we have a lot of people joining us and rejoining us and being here with us on all times. Because everything we don't sit and script this stuff. We literally talk from the heart. We talk from our experience. We are here for absolutely everybody, and you learn something with every single new cohort that you attend, or whether it's live shows or cohorts, doesn't really matter what it is. You always learn something new, and it's a really, really, really big industry. So there's always new things and so much more to learn. So stick with us and keep moving forward with us. For me, why did I get into crypto and how did I land up being in crypto? It was 2019 when we started looking into the crypto space, and then lockdown really forced us to look at different options. I had my own company, and my company wasn't an essential service, and it sort of made me broke in the times of lockdown. And I had to think of a plan B, and we started getting into trading. We weren't lucky enough to have schools and to have, we had our own little community, which existed with Jay, Craig, and we had a whole bunch of guys that jumped on. And we had our own little community that we had, and that helped us get through, obviously, the learning curves, kicking our butts, the emotional, the risk management, the FOMO, the greed, all the emotions that we go through. We had our own little community, and that's what helped us learn a lot and get through it. And this is why we have decided to create more and more and more communities through education, Sniper School, our clubs, and obviously then through the YouTube channels and the whole of Crypto Banter, because we're a community of like-minded people. And I sat down one day and I just realized I need a plan B. What happens, if another pandemic has to happen? How sustainable is the businesses? What happens if I want to retire? What can I do? What happens if I get retrenched or I don't have a job? What happens if I have a job and I don't earn enough money to live a nice life and to be able to do holidays and to pay all the debts and to, not get stuck in the system of banks and governments and this and that, and of just having to go to work every single day? And when we started doing crypto, I realized that this was my plan B. It took us a lot to learn, and it took us time to obviously understand it. We had to do it the hard way. We went in all in on all angles with everything. But I realized that you could make money out of it if you could learn to control your emotions and understand how to trade and the best strategies around it. So that was my career into it. Obviously, Sheldon was getting into it, and we were all trading together. And we're all learning together. And Sheldon had an amazing way of doing the charts and simplifying things for people. And that is why he's become a great educator in this space. And that is what you are going to learn throughout this whole course that he has put a lot of hard work into. There's a whole team behind it. You think it's just one or two faces. There's a whole team behind it. We've got moderators, we've got school teams, we've got so many people behind this, researchers, we've got people with so much experience in this, putting this together for you for free. So it's a really, really, really great product. So this is why I want to say well done for you to making that first step. I made my first step 5 years ago, and I am more than happy with where I am. I have more freedom in my life. I am debt free. I can do it wherever I am around the world. I'm not stuck. I'm my own boss. If I fail, it's my own stupidity. If I win, it's great. It's like running your own business. And that's another thing you're going to learn throughout this course over the next couple of weeks is how to turn this into a business, to actually help you in life with different businesses. And that's the type of strategies that Sheldon's going to get into. That's the type of strategies you're going to learn. It's not just about this is how you trade, this is what you do, this is how you open an account. It's not, we're going to get into portfolios, we're going to get into risk management, we're going to get into a lot of things. I'll give you guys a bit of a rundown of the course overview a bit later. But I'm really happy with where I am, and we're happy to be here as a Sniper team to take you guys to that next level. On so many Sniper schools, we have so many aha moments. We have so many people You're going to have a lot of questions in the beginning, but I promise you, by just completing this whole course, attending all the live sessions, doing the sessions every single week and keeping on top of it and put it into practice, every single one of you on the Zoom call will have an aha moment. You will have a realization of why you've done things wrong, or you will learn something that you needed an answer for, that you won't get in other communities. So well done for being here. Very proud of you guys for being here. And very excited to see your guys' aha moments and how you grow over the next week or two with everything that you're going to learn in your own time and on the live sessions. Sheldon is a master when it comes to education in this space. He loves it. He has a passion for it. If I see how passionate my child was drawing up this course for everybody, it really makes me proud. And I'm able to work next to Sheldon every single day in the trading space, and we get to trade together, and we get to educate a community, and we get to help people change their lives. And with the team, with Jay, with Jiv, with Zhao, with Craig, with the Sniper Club team, which you'll probably get to meet as well. I'm not sure if they're all on here, Jiv, but we must introduce the Sniper Club team as well. And with all the rest of the Sniper School team on here, we are ready to give you all the insights and everything you need to change your life and to change your journey going forward. It's such an exciting time. So congratulations to everybody that's here, and we're quite excited. We're going to bring on maybe Craig. Craig, if you want to come up and give your story. And then we'll get into the dynamics of the course and get you all excited for Thursday's session.
Guys, welcome. I don't know if you want to spotlight me a bit there. Good. Welcome to the course, guys. I think you know me, OG Craig, with Sheldon from the beginning. I'm the only one who can hold claim to getting Sheldon and Mama Sniper scammed.
Yeah. We really were scammed twice.
And we're still friends.
3 times.
Yeah. So we've done it all. We've been through it all. Guys, I got into crypto in 2016. I think everyone comes to crypto for a specific reason. Generally, it's, in the past, it was always kind of almost as a last resort. Kind of, I needed some way to make money. For me, that was certainly the case. I'm not going to go into it now because it gets too emotional. But that seemed to be the case. And I initially got into Forex trading and, try to do, the typical Forex and gold and oil and all that sort of stuff. And I found that all the courses that I wanted to do, every time I wanted to do something, it's just for extracting money, large quantities of money from me, to try and learn anything, I didn't do badly. I never made a lot of money. I never lost a lot of money, but I just didn't feel it was the way. And then I stumbled across Bitcoin, weirdly enough, in 2014. Didn't do anything about it. And in 2016, when I really needed to jack up the finances through an illness of my daughter, I started looking at Bitcoin seriously. At that stage, guys, there was no one to ask. It was 8 months before I actually met someone else that owned any form of crypto. And there weren't many cryptos around in those days, by the way, not like the millions of coins we have today. And then from there, just started building. Worked through 2017 and the most incredible bull run, and 2018. We've been through the pumps, we've been through the dumps. We built it up significantly, and then finally got scammed out of virtually generational wealth in just before COVID in 2020. And that forced us, as Danny said, to really knuckle down. We all kind of got scammed. We were all caught in this particular project that we thought was the perfect answer for crypto, not going into names, and literally lost generational wealth. That then forced us to start educating. We didn't want people, this is long before Banter, we didn't want people to go through what we'd experienced in those days. And we started off with, it was Jason and myself and like 5 or 6 people on a Zoom call every morning, and that built up into a couple of hundred, and then eventually literally into many, many hundreds of people. And then finally, when was it? It was after COVID sometime that Sheldon will give you his story. But he was in Cape Town, and I went down to see Sheldon with people that we've been teaching over time, and I said to him, "You've got to come up and watch this recording of this live YouTube channel." And it was Crypto Banter. And we went upstairs and watched it. And during the show, I kind of had this sort of like an epiphany that Sheldon should be on Crypto Banter. So we got hold of Ran. I didn't know him from a bar of soap. And we had about 30 people that we'd been teaching over the years. They were with us, and we all kind of hounded around and said, "You've got to have this guy. He's got to be on your team, you know." And the next minute, he said, "I'll give Sheldon a break." And that Monday morning, Sheldon got on his first show, and I think by the Wednesday was Sheldon's first show of his own. And that was, we're coming up to almost 4 years now, Daddy. Can you believe it? And the rest, as they say, is history. The passion for what we've always done, teaching people the right way to do crypto, teach people what we've learned, teach people, try and change people's lives has been the mission from day one. You'll notice if you watch Sheldon's crypto YouTube channel, like, he always sticks to what he believes. You know, we certainly never try clickbait tiles. We try and give you the honest opinion always. And this school is the place for you to start. So, you know, you've got to get the basics of TA. Is this the be all and end all of your crypto trading? No, it is just the start. You know, to learn the basics, get excited, understand the way businesses are created within crypto, understand how you could potentially maybe one day live off of crypto. And then we move from there. You know, from there, your journey starts. You know, you can either go it solo, you can join the club, get involved with us on a day-to-day basis. And hopefully it's the start and the change of many things. So I don't want you to think that this is the answer. This is an all-encompassing one course. This is like getting through kindergarten into grade 2 or 3 at school. From there, you know, your learning really, really starts. So my advice to you is to take everything that we teach you, take it to heart. I know sometimes it might appear to be simplistic. You might go, well, this is too simple. But, you know, at the end of the day, Sheldon still trades with that exact same strategy that he used all the way back in those days. Remember, Jay, when we started those Zooms and Sheldon came up, he didn't even know the terminology. He had his roof and floor theory. He had roofs and floors, or ceilings and floors. And we were like, who's this young kid here with this strategy? And it was successful. And you know what? Sheldon still uses that strategy today. So my advice to you is, unless you can prove that Sheldon's strategy doesn't work, don't venture off. Don't go look for other indicators and pay for fancy whatevers and start applying all kinds of other logic to it. Keep it simple. The simplicity in it works. And the more you start mixing other strategies into it, the more confused, as I always say, it lands up with a fruit salad. It just doesn't work anymore. So take everything to heart, guys. There's so much learning packed into these couple of weeks. You've got the experience of a number of OGs here, and we're here to help you, and we want to see you succeed. Jay, you want to take it over?
Thank you, buddy. Hello, everybody. Hello. So you can see that Craig and I are the OGs. So we refer the OGs to, we've been through 3, this is our 3rd bull market, and you have to be over 50. And you can see I've got a bit of a bulk bar now, a bit of gray. So yeah, prove that I'm over 50. So I've been in crypto since 2016 also, like Craig. Before that, I was in corporate for 28 years. And those people that, or those of you that work in corporate, you know what corporate's like. It's unfulfilling, and you just slog day in and day out. So I was actively looking for something to get out of the corporate life. And I happened to stumble on somebody talking around Bitcoin mining. So I got involved with Bitcoin mining in 2016. And in 2017, I tried my luck with trading. For those of you that were around in 2017, we had a massive bull run in that year. And as Craig says, for me, myself, I didn't know anybody. I was following people on Twitter for advice on what to do. And the advice that I got was hodl. So 1 minute I'm sitting on $10,000, the next minute I'm sitting on $300,000. Then it's back down to $30,000. Then it's up again. So I was up and down the whole year, up and down. And unfortunately, at the end of 2017, I still made money, but nowhere near where I could have made. In 2018, I, with the leap of faith, left my corporate job, and I also got into the same scam that Craig was talking about, where in 2019, unfortunately, we lost plenty Bitcoin. Craig and I are supposed to be on an island right now, sipping cocktails, but we are here to help you. So, as Craig says, in 2020, we started a community core, and that was just after that COVID drop, where there was a massive drop, Black Swan event in both stock and in crypto. And we decided, well, we need to help the community. And we started with 5 people in the room on a Zoom call, where we discussed all the aspects around crypto trading, etc. And we can see how those 5 people have grown to today, to thousands and thousands and thousands. And how amazing is that? That's unbelievable. So I joined Sniper, I joined Sheldon 3 years ago, where initially I was just really with the school. I have now recently joined Sniper Club, and I'm really excited to be part of Sniper Club. It's an amazing community. So Danny and Craig have covered most of the things, but I just want to leave you with one thing, is that a famous investor by the name of Roll Paul, you can actually go and Google his name, he made a statement about 2 or 3 months ago saying that he predicts that the crypto market, which is currently on $3 trillion, is going to go to $100 trillion within the next 5 to 10 years. So imagine that, 3 trillion to 100 trillion in the next 5 to 10 years. Guys, you are so early. Do not listen to everybody that says you are late. You're not late. You are so early. But it's going to take work. You have to roll up your sleeves and you have to work. You have to take responsibility. Do not hand over your crypto to anybody. Anybody that says they can trade for you or take your keys or whatever the case may be, do not do it. You have to take responsibility. So it's going to require education. It's going to require a community. The important thing about a community is where you can discuss all the aspects around the market on a daily basis. You can bounce ideas amongst each other. You can discuss trades. So a community is very important. And the third aspect is that you need to be following the best trader in the world. 1 or 2 traders, not 10 traders, 1 or 2 traders. Because 10 traders will give you different advice. Rather follow 1 or 2 of the best traders in the world, and listen to their strategy and try and copy their strategy. So if you do those 3 things, and you roll up your sleeves and you work hard, the rewards are going to be great. It's generational rewards. So welcome everybody. And as Craig says and Mama Sniper says, we are here to help you. Thank you.
Thank you, all of you, for giving us your little stories that you have. I don't think you understand how important it is with what Jason said about community. Seriously, surrounding yourself with the right people and the people with the right mindsets when it comes to trading is seriously making sure that you are on the right track to actually getting results. Because I'm telling you, being with so many different people around me in crypto, it has been the biggest blessing. So if I can give you some piece of advice, like what Jason said, get involved with the people who are here. Make sure you're on the Discord. Make sure you go and check out who are there, the people in the community. Get in a community. Join Sniper Club. It's one of the best clubs out there. We've got everyone that is here that you just saw, Danny, OJ Jason, OJ Craig. They are also in Sniper Club. Do yourself a favor and literally invest in yourself. It is the best thing that you can ever do. But before we go on there, I just quickly want to share a screen with you guys. I just want to show you a few offers that we have here for you guys, the community. I just want to make sure, can you guys see it? What I'm sharing? Yes, no, maybe? Yes, okay. So Mexi has 24 hours left of this deal that they've got, it's exclusive to you guys. 20% deposits for new traders. So this means if you deposit $100, you get 20 USDT. If you deposit $200, you get 40 USDT. $500, 100 USDT, and so it carries on. So guys, you've got 24 hours left for this one. I promise you, when the pockets are low, these are the best ones to go for, because there's that extra $20 that you can just go and play with. And if you are new, I just want to let you guys know that this is honestly, use these funds that you put into your exchanges as school fees. Start trading with $2, start trading with $3. You don't have to go in with a lot, just start practicing. Now I want to introduce you to Bitfunded. Bitfunded is a prop form platform, and this is for those who don't have a lot of money to trade with. I want to show you what we have here. They have for $79, a $5,000 base, 99, 10,000. So you only put in $79, go through 2 steps, and actually start trading with $5,000. And I'm just going to let you know, by the end of this workshop, I'm going to be giving away 1 Bitfunded. So stay till the end, because one person in the comments, I'll be keeping an eye, will win one of these Bitfunded today. And I just want to let you know, with the workshops that we have coming, all of them coming, we're going to be giving away Bitfunded. So you have to be here with a live, be present, see what we have to offer, and we're going to be giving away Bitfunded for you guys. Then CoinW is another one. 48 hours left for this one. This one we got in the last cohort for you guys. It's exclusive to Sniper. If you just register, literally, if you just go in and you go register, you get a $50 bonus. Literally, right there for you to go trade. There we go. It's literally the best thing ever. Then they've got a little super bonus for you. If you put in $100, they give you another $100. If you put in $200, they give you another $200. And then once you've actually done the $200, you get a 10% off Sniper Club for free. Just letting you guys know. Best deal ever. And then Sniper Club, guys, this is not an opportunity that you want to miss. This is one of the best things that I have invested in, that I know other people have invested in, and you don't want to miss out this incredible community that we've built. People are just loving it. But anyway, enough of me and my face, and I just want to give you the opportunities that are out there. Remember to stay here till the end, because I will be giving away a Bitfunded. You will be getting one of those $5,000 Bitfunded. I'll be keeping an eye on those comments, keeping an eye. But before we go into that, Danny, would you like to come and tell us about the curriculum that we have going on with January?
Yeah,
Let me just-
and just before Danny goes, I'd just like to mention
Yeah.
something quickly. The Sniper Club community, guys, just want to mention that a lot of you in the beginning of your journey, you guys need dedicated support. You guys need someone to hold your hand, to guide you through new tools, through new exchanges, through your first trade, your first leverage trade. All of this is the kind of support you get in Sniper Club. You know, if you need this, the Sniper Club is where you want to be. And also, the QR code that we shared just now, I'm going to share it again very quickly. This QR code gives you a 14-day trial, okay? So guys, I don't know what else I have to tell you, but this is literally a no-brainer. You can do 14 days for free, and in the worst case scenario, if you think, okay, this is not for me, you leave. But seriously, save this QR code, take a print screen. The link is on the chat right now to save that link, and you have access to a 14-day trial. Okay, now up to Danny. Danny's going to explain you guys now the curriculum and what you're going to learn on this course. Danny.
Perfect, thank you. Just to add on the Sniper Club part as well, if you feel after you've done the Sniper School and you still want more education, Sniper Club is the way to go, because it is it's more about educating the communities. There's a lot of education that's happening on the Sniper Club, lots of live sessions with lots of educations, lots of AMAs to be able to answer questions. We have a whole moderators team. We just have a whole, we've got traders, and we've just got a whole team behind Sniper Club, helping somebody in different time zones, so that we cover all hours of the day, whether you are awake or not. So it's very, very exciting. Lots of information and alpha goes in there, from fundamentals research to trades to, you know what, market's dumping, let's all get on a live and cry together. You know, it doesn't really matter what it is, and it's that whole community as well. So yeah, give it a shot, have a 14-day trial, and see if we are your people that you want to be on a community with. So I just want to give you a quick rundown on why this Sniper School course is very important for you learning how to trade. And it gives you the basis that you need to get into the trading. And I think for me, there's 1 or 2 topics that is very, very crucial. And, you know, I know Jay and Craig will probably come up with me now and go through a few of those things that we find as quite crucial. I mean, learning to trade, it's a practical thing, right? Learning to use a tool, it's a practical thing. Learning to sign up to an exchange, you don't have to do it once or twice, and, you know, you get the hang of it. And those are the first types of subjects that you guys do get into. But for me, the most important parts of the school is learning business structures. It's learning risk management, because you're going to need risk management for the rest of your trading career. And it's easy to say, yes, I know how to put a stop loss and I know how to do risk management. You must remember the markets that we're in, it's quite an emotional market. So sometimes you forget about your risk management when your emotions are not in the right place, because markets are dumping or pumping, whatever the case may be. And this course teaches you about emotions as well and dealing with that. So just to give you a quick rundown for those who haven't started your course yet, you're going to learn the basics of trading analysis. You're going to learn about a couple of tools that we think is handy for you. Everybody's got their own trading strategies. Ultimate, at the end of the day, after the sniper school is complete, we want everybody to be able to form their own strategies and what they like. We can offer the education and teach you how. But at the end of the day, you're going to make that decision at what best fits you. So we run through some tools. We teach you how to use a trading view. Trading view is very important to your journey because you need to be able to understand the charts and learn the charts. Stop losses, taking profits. We show you what Sheldon's strategy is and what we all use the same strategies on how we set TPs and stop losses. I think that's one of our biggest things, is we all learn how to get in the market, but have you learned how to get out of the market? We all know you got red days, you got green days, you got bull markets, you got bear markets, but what is your exit strategies? What is your TP levels? If you want to, this course is going to show you time frames to understand what type of trader you are, because everybody gets confused, but you're trading on a 1 hour, why not a 4 hour? The daily is going down, but the 1 hour is going up. And how do we know when to get in? And how do we use all these tools together with all the different time frames? This course is going to tie all the different time frames in for you. It's going to teach you how much time in a day. So if you've got a full-time job and you don't know how you're going to do this, we're going to show you how you become a part-time trader. If you need to trade every day for bread and butter, we're going to show you that this is the time frames you're going to be trading, and this is the type of tools you're going to be using if you want to trade every day. You don't have a job, you're sitting at home and you want to trade for every single day of money. We're going to teach you. If you don't have time to trade and you want to be an investor only, you just want to capitalize off the rest of the couple of months that we've got in this bull market, we're going to teach you how to become an investor, how to get in, and how to plan your exit strategy going forward in the long term, however long it should be. We're going to teach you some rules of trading, and basically these rules are from experience. It's not rules we've made up. It's rules that we live by. Sheldon, Jason, Craig, the whole team, myself, we have whiteboards on our walls with the trading rules on it, because sometimes you actually rebel against your own trading rules. So it's just about having those rules available to keep you in check, and to have it visible so that you remember what your rules are, and you will make up your own rules over the next couple of months. Don't trade while you're tired. If you've lost money, close your computer, walk away. There's so many different rules, and the list can go on and on and on. And we're giving you the rules that we have found helped us. We're going to teach how to use a trading journal. Why do you need to use a trading journal? Because how are you going to know what type of a trader you are? How are you going to know what your faults are? How are you going to know where you're going wrong? How are you going to know when you're going right? The trading journal is going to help you capture your trades. It's going to help you give you an overview of what type of trader you are. You're going to be able to pick up, oh goodness, I take chances, or I'm sure I FOMO'd into 70% of my trades, or I didn't set a stop loss and I lost there, or hey, I did my analysis great, I won 70% of my trades out of the 100. So a trading journal is literally just there for you to capture, so it gives you a whole story, it gives you a bigger picture of what type of trader you are, and it teaches you a lesson as well, and it reminds you. Go read your journals before you start taking another trade, because it reminds you, oh yes, I mustn't make that mistake again, or that type of thing. So trading journals. You're going to learn about candlesticks, patterns, trend lines, support line, resistance lines. How does Sheldon get his lines? How do we all draw those lines and patterns? How do you know where to buy? How do you know where to sell? Those are all going to come up with in the lessons over the next week, 2 weeks. Support resistances, you're going to learn about support resistances. You're going to learn about Fibonacci levels, which all tie in together. And that's why I'm saying, don't be too worried about when you're going through the courses and you've got so many questions. everything every week is set up, and your answers are going to come with the new lessons to tie everything in together. It all works hand in hand together. You're going to look at different tools of volume, moving averages. Sheldon loves to use a stochastic RSI, so let's show you how to use the stochastic RSI. You're going to learn about portfolio, how to manage your portfolio, how much should you put into safe tokens, you know, should you risk any if you want to risk that type of a thing. So you're going to do a deep dive into portfolio. You'll learn a little bit about leverage, the risks around leverage, but also how leverage can help you once you are a good trader and you know how to trade. Then you can move a bit into a leverage type trading. Sheldon will show the different business structures that we have and that we've lived by, how we've gone on holiday. We don't use our own capital to go on holiday or buy things. We create business structures. We build those businesses for a specific item, and Sheldon's going to teach you more on how that is done, and he's going to take you through step by step on how we do it. And I think the ultimate goal at the end of the school cohort that you're going to do is you want to understand what type of trader you are. You want to understand how much you're going to put into it, and you want to have a plan. We have a famous saying, plan your trade, trade your plan. And I think if by the end of this cohort you have your aha moments and you're able to plan ahead, plan your entrance, plan your exits, plan your future around this. I have seen a couple of people in the last couple of weeks who have come to me and said, I'm losing my job. I've only got so much money. What do I do? And I say to them, it doesn't matter if you don't make money this bull market, just learn. Learn the strategy now. Ultimately, you want to make money. Of course, you want to make money. But knowledge is worth more at the moment than making money. So learn, practice, learn, practice. We don't fail here if you learn the lesson. You win money or you learn. And if you can have that type of a strategy in play with your journals and with knowing what to do, a bull market comes every 3 years, roughly. Don't hold me on that. But you go through a bull, we go through a bear, we go through a bull, we go through a bear cycle. Whatever you make now, you would be able to start your trading every 2-3 years when there's a bull market, and you're able to multiply your money every 2-3 years. If you learn the strategy now and you implement in your life going forward, you will never be out of money again if you implement this properly, because you are able to take each bull market's profits that you've made and reuse it in the next bull market and have a compound effect and keep on making this money for yourself for the rest of your life. And hopefully by the time you want to retire or whatever it is, you are such a pro and you can retire in comfort and style because you can just keep on making yourself money until it's time to go. And you're able to leave things for your family. So trading is definitely my plan B. It's my plan A, it's my plan B at the moment. It's my everything. We put everything into trading. We do everything with trading, and it's working very well for us. So, and I hope the same is going to happen with you, and I know it will. So just stick to every single session. Come join us on every single live. Do all your classes and learn from it, and join us in all the cohorts going forward, because you learn everything for every single cohort. I promise you, not every single cohort is exactly the same. You learn different things. People ask different questions. We've got different answers. New things are happening in the market. New things come up. So you learn. So join every single cohort. Join the other schools with the other hosts. Learn from absolutely everybody that you can. Join our sniper club where you learn so much as well. And you join a like-minded community. So that lies out the structure of what the course is going to entail over the next couple of weeks. Craig, Jay, I don't know if you want to add on that.
My advice to everybody again is that take the material seriously that you're going to learn over here. So, learn, don't, I think people come to these type of schools and they think, or these kind of courses, and yes, you're amongst people who have been trading full-time and who do trade full-time and who live off crypto full-time, but you've got years of experience. So don't take it too flippantly and go, oh well, I've got that, and I'm going to get this thing here. Remember, we're trading. It's like the Wild West out there. It's like being in a sea with with sharks and everything else that's out there. You've got to learn everything. So take everything seriously. Security seriously, the way you trade seriously, the exchange you work on seriously. Remember, guys, just on a side note, accept no DMs from anybody from our team. So anyone who comes along and says, I'm Sheldon, I'm a sniper, I'm OG Craig, I'm OG Jason, whatever, do not accept a DM where someone that is pretending to be one of us or anyone else from Banter. Just this past week, someone got scammed in the school Discord for $160,000. So guys, please take everything seriously here. This is a decentralized world. So, you can't run off to the banks when you've got a problem. If you lose your money, you lose it. So work with us and we'll get you there.
Yes, thank you, everyone. So before we finish up this little welcome event, I am going to just show you guys our
Sorry,
school
Jo.
platform. Yes, go for it.
Can Jay quickly say, Jay
Yes.
wants to say something, yeah.
No, I think Craig's covered everything. Yeah, I just want to highlight one thing is that when you start trading, guys, and I'm seeing it over and over and over, is that if you're new to trading, don't go and throw lots of money in. Start off small. Start off with $20 and start trading at $20. I'm seeing lots of people putting in their life savings, $10,000, $20,000, and it's the first time they're riding a bicycle. You cannot do that. Start off small, learn to trade with $20. Double $20 and double it again and double it again. If you can do that, then add more funds to it. So start off small, start learning, and then start adding on as your experience gets better and better and better. The second thing is that this year, 2025, is going to be the most important year for this bull cycle. We're expecting us to, if you have a look at a chart called the Wall Street cheat sheet, we're expecting us to have a Fourier stage later this year where we see massive gains in a short period of time on most of these altcoins. So there is going to be massive opportunity this year. So I encourage everybody, as I said, to roll up your sleeves. Now's the time to learn as quickly as possible, but also in a responsible way, because you've got literally a couple of months to really make good money. So that's my encouragement from my side. Lastly, Craig, I don't know if you want to just talk about club a bit, just give us more rundown, and then maybe next week Bruce can give some more, around the club.
Look, to be honest about club, put it in the back of your mind. I know there's a 14-day free trial. My advice to you, get through this course first. Get through the course, learn the basics. Don't come to club and try and learn the basics there, because people are already more experienced over there, unless you feel you've got some sort of a skill. So hold that 14 days for once you've got the skill that you've got now, and then use it in club and build on that skill, if you understand what I mean. But club is an environment. I mean, we've got an incredible team there. I mean, obviously, we've got Mama Sniper, we've got myself, we've got OG Jason, we've got a guy Maddie from Australia, we've got OG Bruce from America. So we're literally covering every single time zone in the world. So literally, there should be someone on the Discord 24/7 to be able to help. We cover everything. We do trading news. So the news of the day at the moment, the market's been very, very driven by news, which is unusual. Normally the charts are reacting before the news, but at the moment news has been pushing the markets. And then we've got sections for long-term trading, short-term trading. We have a guy called Kerwin who from the States, man, oh man, a motivational guy like you cannot believe. And he has got his teeth sunk deep into this whole AI and AI agents, and he understands it. And in fact, if you are on Sniper Club tonight at 9 o'clock our time, so literally in, what's it, 2.5 hours or something, he will be live with his AI agents. And that session is always incredible. We do that on a Tuesday and a Thursday night. On a Wednesday night, we have one of our mods called Liz. Man, she does money mindset, things around your mind and your mindset. So it literally encompasses everything. But my advice to you, get the basic learning done first, then take your 14-day free trial. Same with the Bitfunded. I wanted to say it was running out. Like, get a bit of training done, then do your Bitfunded. But take the other links, the Mexinet, where there's free money. Man, how does it get better than that, where an exchange is offering you free money? So don't forget, they help fund the school. That's why they put it up. They want to have successful traders. They don't want traders that are coming there and lose the money. They want traders that make money long term. If you make money long term, they make money long term. So they have the vested interest in making you successful. So that's how I think you should structure it. But I hope you guys are ready to kick off properly next week.
As you can see, Sheldon has created like the best community ever. You heard from Craig right now, that Sniper Club, all the people that are in there. I can promise you that Kerwin is the best when it comes to teaching you how to search for coins. He's the complete different spectrum when it comes to how to look for coins and what to actually do in that space. But before that, like I said, I want to take you to the school platform just to show you guys, to get a little bit more familiar with the platform itself. Let me just quickly, I just want to share. Here we go. Here it is. Okay. So the Sniper Club the Sniper School platform. Just want to hear, can you all see? Thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Cool. So at the top over here, when everyone was wondering about the free trial, it's right over here at the corner. Just click on there. If you didn't get the
I'm not
QR
seeing
code,
anything with this.
Yeah,
can't you see?
we can see the Zoom.
You can see me. Okay, let me try this. Stop sharing. We're sharing this one. Okay. Not working. Okay, that's nice.
Nothing like putting you on the spot there, but
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. But anyway, on Thursday, then I will show you guys. But please go into your platform, go into your school platform. You will see on the top right corner, there's a section that says Sniper School. Oh, Sniper. There we go. Thank you, Zhao.
Wow, to the
On the
rescue.
corner. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. There you will see Sniper School, the free trial. Please go and make yourselves familiar with this platform. This is going to be your home. Learn every single thing on here. Go and look at all the introduction techniques. Go and look at Sniper Toolkit. In there are literally there's videos of Sheldon telling you exactly how to use the platforms, how to use the exchanges, especially I think, this how to use the TradingView sign up. Please, guys, this is like your home base. This is where you live. You can come back here every single time, make yourselves aware of what's going on, but this is the place to be, just to let you guys know. All right. Thank you so much, Zhao. Now, for this bit funded, I'm going to ask everyone a question. I'm then going to put the question in the chat, and whoever answers the question first correctly to my question. Don't go and randomly answer. Come to my question, go answer in my question, will win the bit funded. I will then speak to you in the DMs, and we will then ask you to just send it to the giveaway, send your name to the giveaway's email, and I'll give you your funded account tomorrow. Okay, are you guys ready? The question is, so the first person who answers this correctly, okay, how much does a $79 Bitfunded account give you to trade with? Okay, can you remember? I'm putting it in the chat right now. I'm asking a question, typing it. There we go. Go to my question where I asked. The first person who answers in my question correctly will receive that Bitfunded. Let's see who's going to get it. Let's see. Michelle P. Michelle P, you are the first one to, I'm going to message you privately. Please go and send your name to this giveaway. I'm going to message you privately and directly. And then well done, Michelle P. You won because you were correct. You get $5,000 to trade with. And I've seen in the chat, everyone was asking, what is the catch? Guys, there is no catch. This has been a thing that has been going on within the trading industry, not just crypto. It's been with gold. It's been with stocks. This is a prop form platform. So people understand that they don't have money to trade with. So they give you this option if you are a good trader and they believe that you are a good trader, you have to just pass two levels of an 8% win and a 5% win, and they give you the $5,000 to trade with for the rest. So it isn't a scam. There's nothing that you have to worry about. It's not a fake thing. There's nothing you have to give. You don't need to give blood samples or hair samples. There's nothing like that. It literally is people around the world that are literally wanting to help everyone else. And this is exactly what Crypto Banter is about and what Sheldon is about. We want to help everyone. That's why this is also free.
Just to add on that,
Yes.
Jove, and they give you the 5,000 to trade with, and obviously any profits that you do make on trading with that $5,000 is yours to do whatever you want with. Yes.
There we go. Michelle P, I've directly messaged you. Please go and email that specific email. I'm going to take a screenshot, and then if you do not hear from us within 12 hours, because we'll be, let's say 24 hours, please go and speak to the school team and we will make sure that you get it. Thank you so much. And guys, remember, our first workshop is this Thursday. So in 2 days from now, our first workshop, get excited. Please be present. Bring paper,
so ready.
bring pens. Yes, bring yourselves ready because Sheldon is going to, he's going to give it his all. You guys need it. So be ready, be here. Make sure you've got your pens, your papers, and I've got goosebumps. It's going to be amazing. It was absolutely lovely meeting everyone here. Thank you so much for joining us. And Danny, did you want to say something else?
No, Jeff, just remind everybody that the sniper team will also be there on Thursday to answer any trading questions, trading-related questions. Okay.
So on Thursday, that is when we're going to have our Q&A. After Sheldon's taught everyone, we will have our Q&A for an hour afterwards. Then we will take about whoever is there, 6 to 7, 8 people who have questions, and we will answer them directly. So from workshop 1, 2, and 3, you will all get the opportunity to ask the team whatever you want. Obviously not whatever you want, just trading related questions, and then I'll send you off to the AMAs within school. So this was just a welcome event to say hi to everyone, to introduce the team, and to just say well done for taking the first step in learning a new skill, because this is a skill that can set you up for the rest of your life. Anyway, guys, I want to say thank you, and we will see you.
There's one question there. Maybe we should just take, but no more. Let's just take that one question because we're going to leave everything till Thursday. From Antonia.
Okay, Antonia, do you mind just popping up your video for me, please, so we can see you?
Also mute.
Ask to start video, ask to unmute. I'm not too sure. Yeah, because you see, I can't pin them and put them on if there's no video. So that's why if you have a question to ask, you need to put your video on so I can see your beautiful face, and then I can pop you on the screen. That's the only way you can come on the screen.
I think you put his hand up by mistake.
Yeah, I think so too. But that's okay. We've got Thursday, 2 days, 2 sleeps.
Just by the way, it looks like Bitcoin is starting to make a run for it. So you guys are starting the school after all the negativity's over, and hopefully we're now going to get into a decent market. So attention to the learning, guys.
Thank you so much, and go and make yourselves familiar with the school platform. Don't forget, go make yourselves familiar. Anyway, we will see you on Thursday with everything. Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody. Bye. See you on Thursday. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks, team.